Hey, what's going on? Jonnie Grooms here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a kit that I picked up for the purposes of the review. I don't know a lot about the brand at all. I did not do any searching for it. It is called Xikezan. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Let's bring it down, and I'll show you the contents of the box. We are with the Xikezan Beard Kit. When you get the kit, their boxes are insanely shiny. So sorry for the light, guys. When you get the kit, you get a bottle of beard wash. So you can take a freeze frame of that right there. And on the other side, you got your directions and ingredients. You can take a freeze frame of that as well. And that side, it just says 100% natural argan oil, clean and refresh. I'm just gonna pop open the box, see what the bottle looks like. Because I like packaging and stuff. Okay. I like this. This is a nice looking bottle right here. Got a nice cap. Nice little pump action happening. No grease, no leakage. Everything looks nice and good. Everything's nice and dry. Everything looks all put together right here. All right. And let's open up the main kit. Sorry for the shine, like I said. Box is very, very shiny. And I think this is a slider. Is this a sliding box? I don't particularly want to destroy the packaging. There it is, a sliding box. I knew it. Here it is, opening it up right here. Let's put this off to the side. It's got nothing on it. So when you open the box, the first thing you get is you get a little thank you card with some instructions. Take a freeze frame of that right there and you can read all about it. Put it off to the side, nothing on the back. Okay, in the next pamphlet, you got a little social media QR code right there. And here is their paperwork right here. It looks like it is a direction guide on using the beard oil and the beard balm. If you want, you can pause the video there and take a read right there. All right, that's the pamphlet. Keep out of reach of children if you want the children to survive. Okay, so here's the brush. No branding on it whatsoever. Pretty straight up beard brush. Put that to the side. You got your pair of scissors here, trimming scissors right here. Got your beard comb right here. A little different than I had before. Let's take a little bendy test right there. All right, that's pretty strong right there. Let's do a little audio test here. All right, I like it. Xikezan beard balm. And you have right here, you got some benefits of using the beard balm. You got the logo and you got some directions. They are really making sure you know how to apply this stuff. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. Jeez Louise, pepper cheese. Alright, looks like your standard 1 ounce tin. Ingredients in the back. Let's twist open. And nice and smooth. I think this is unscented because that doesn't smell like anything. That is the beard balm. And this is the beard oil. Again, I don't want to break this. All right. All right, so this is your bottle. This is your bottle of beard oil. Let's just slowly rotate that. These are more directions, a cautionary label, and more directions and ingredients. It's the beard oil. And you get a rather large nylon bag with no branding on it whatsoever. And that is the Xikezan Beard Grooming Kit. Let's bring it back on top and give you my final thoughts. Alright, so we're back on top with the Xikezan with the Xikezan beard grooming kit. Turns out I ordered the unscented kit. I wish I didn't, because I like to have scent. But okay, so as far as beard balm goes, this is feeling very silky smooth. Of course, I don't have any beard hair to test it on because I shaved. Really, truly is unscented. It coats very well, you know, and it feels soft and smooth. You know, it feels exactly how a beard balm should feel. So, all right, then this is gonna be unscented also, and I really wish I didn't get the unscented, and I really wish I did. You know what? I got a little stubble, so maybe I can get away with this. Not too much. It's a little chemically, little chemical smell there. Okay, I'll tell you what the unscented smells like. Go in your kitchen, get some canola oil, put a little dab on your palm, and rub it in. That's what it smells like. Yeah, it's just I don't like that. I don't like that smell. For it being unscented, there's a scent there that's not very good. That's the oil. It's beard oil. It does the job of moisturizing. The scent, it's a little bizarre because it's unscented and it smells a little like canola oil or to it, like a cooking oil scent to it, not like a beauty product oil scent to it. So let's get to the brush. It looks too generic. You know, there's nothing on it that, you know, it would have been good if they had the logo on it, or they had something on it, but it's very just plain Jane beard comb. I mean, I got other beard combs up there that, you know, they got the logo on it, 2 sets of teeth. I know you can have one or the other. All in all, it's not a bad comb. It's just a little boring. It's a boring comb. I'm going to put it to the side. And you got your beard brush right here. Yep. Standard everyday beard brush. Nothing too special. Again, no branding on it at all. Nothing here. Very plain, very boring. And this is the beard wash. Let's see if the beard wash has anything to it. Okay. Oh, okay. I definitely should have ordered this scented, because this beard wash smells really good. I'm gonna have to go try this out. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back after washing my face with the Xikezan facial cleaner. When I first dried my face, I did get a little irritation on each cheek. There was no visible marks, just I had a reaction and my face was itchy for about, I don't know, maybe half hour afterwards. Now, there could be something that I personally am allergic to in this wash. Not saying that this will happen to you, but it happened to me. So I can no longer use this product. And unfortunately, it is going to hurt the rating a little bit because I have a lot of face washes. I have a lot of products that I use on my face from all different types of companies. If you see the shelf right here, and I have the whole Brickle line over there. I've never had a reaction to any one of their products, any beauty product. So, with that being said, me having a reaction, the very generic, boring combs, brushes in the bag in there, and the scissors, you know, just very vanilla, you know, nothing really too flairish that stands out. I'm gonna have to give this kid a 3. Let's say another man's watching you groom. Not really watching, don't be a creep, but he notices you grooming, and you put your brushes down to get your oil out, you know, to all that, and he looks over and he doesn't see any brand name on there at all. And he's not gonna ask. I wouldn't ask another man, hey, what's the name? What kind of brush is that? What kind of comb is that? Like I personally wouldn't. You know, I would take a look at it to see if there's any kind of logo on there, any kind of name on there, and then I'll Google it later. with the tingling on my face and the very generic items in the box, the scissors, nothing too special with them, the comb, the brush, very straight up, nothing too special, and this nylon bag, I mean, it's just a plain old nylon bag. There's nothing to it. Unless it's inside out. No, it's not inside out. You know, there's nothing to it. There's nothing saying that it's the Xikezan or the Xikezan. So aesthetically speaking, it's not very attractive. As far as the products go, this is, you know, pretty much your everyday beard balm. Like I said, nothing really too special about it. Granted, I don't have the scented kit, so I don't know if they have a signature scent to their products. It would have been nice if I had gotten the scented kit, but I did not. Thought I did, but I didn't get it. As far as the beard oil, same thing. As far as oils go, this is a very like slapdash oil. There's not a lot that stands out, but basically it's pretty much beard oil. Beard oil, it's nothing different than what I have already. So if you don't own a kit and you are looking into starting to get a kit, I'd say start with something like this. The price point will not hurt you. It's only 18 bucks on Amazon, and you could either end up liking it or hating it. So with the minor reaction and the overall bland tone of the kit as a whole, I'm gonna have to give it a 3. That'll be my final rating. If you like the contents of the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next review. Leave a comment down below of any products that you want me to talk about. Definitely look into reviewing by request. You know, let me know what's out there. Let me know if it's something you don't want to buy yet and you want me to try it out for you and give my rating and feedback for it. I'll be more than happy to do so. This is Jonnie Grooms, and I'm out.